Service has issued Hazardous Materials Watch number 420, effective until 4:20 p.m. This watch includes all parishes in North, Central, South, East, and West Louisiana. Remember, a hazardous materials watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of hazardous materials, including chemical fires, gas, and common and close to the watch area. While hazardous materials may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest information.